Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Appify. So today in this video I'll show you how to change font size on AOL mail. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, open up AOL mail app. Make sure you have already downloaded AOL mail on your device. Now in order to change font size, go to the settings of your phone. Open up it. Once you open up it, it will navigate you to this interface. Now tap on display and brightness. Now scroll down. So here you can see text size. Tap on it. And now on bottom you can see slide bar. So in order to increase your font size, slide right. And if you want to decrease the font size, slide left. So now go back to your AOL mail. Open up it. Now you can see that your font size has been changed. So in this way you can change font size on AOL mail. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.